What's the meaning of billet-doux? Billet-doux. Billet-doux.
Billet-doux. Billet-doux. Billet-doux is a French term that refers to a love letter or a note expressing affection. The phrase is often used to describe a romantic message or a declaration of love between two people. Billet-doux can take many forms, including handwritten letters, digital messages, and even small gifts with a love note attached. Typically, billet-doux are associated with courtship and romance, and they can be incredibly impactful in building and maintaining relationships. These heartfelt messages can help convey our emotions and deepen the connections we have with our loved ones. In short, billet-doux is a beautiful expression of love that has stood the test of time.